In this video, you will learn how to make money with Whop. First, create a free seller account. Visit the Whop seller portal and sign up. Sign up for a store and by adding a name, description and linking a payment method, such as Stripe. Customize your storefront with a logo, banner and colours that reflect your niche. Develop a digital product or service. Choose a product that fits your skills or interests. Options include PDF guides, ebooks, online courses, tutorials, Discord or Telegram groups, or templates or checklists. Use tools such as Notion, Canva, Google Docs or more to create your offering. List your product on Whop. Go to your seller's dashboard and select Create Product. Choose the type of product, such as course, community or ebook. Upload your content and set your price, either one-time or subscription-based. Optionally, integrate with Discord or Telegram to manage access automatically. Promote your products. Free promotional ideas include request testimonials from early users, engage in relevant Discord servers or communities, create short-form content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and share on social media platforms. Or, another option is to run paid promotion. Run paid ads on platforms such as TikTok or Meta, collaborate with micro-influencers, or use a Whop affiliate system to allow others to promote your product on commission. Utilize Whop's tools to grow. Monitor your sales and customer engagement using your analytics. Manage your customer relationship by sending announcements and updates. Handle renewals, subscriptions and cancellations effectively. Expand your reach by adding affiliates who promote your product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.